Now we're going to go one leg at a time, okay? Now you want to lie down, you want to first line up your heels with your shoulders. So perfect, they're lined up with their shoulders. The next thing, I want your palms out nice and wide. Now on your weekly routine, if it tells you you're going to use the left leg, then what you're going to do is you're just going to straighten out the left leg, okay? And while you're going throughout the set, I want you to keep your leg down, not too high. If it starts moving, it's not good. You want to keep it stiff and down, about this far off the floor. Now with the other foot, I want you to push with your heel. Now to know how far forward or back to put your foot, I want it to be a 90-degree angle in the other leg. If it's forward too much, it's not going to be 90, or if it's back too much. So right now she's looking perfect. Go ahead, come down about a centimeter off of the floor, and then come up as high as you can and squeeze your butt. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Let's also switch legs to show them how it looks with this foot. So go ahead, straighten that one out. Go ahead, come up, squeeze that butt. You see how it's working? Breathe in on the way down, centimeter off the floor. Come up all the way, squeeze, and everything is nice and solid. If you look at this leg, it's not moving around or waving around. Her foot's nice and comfortable as well.